Hello guys, welcome to this channel, and today's video I will be showing you how to recover your lost password. Probably if you cannot remember your password for your Gmail and you want to log in probably on your laptop, I'm going to show you the most simplest way in order to to correct that. Okay, so what do you need? You have to get your system, okay, like this, and then of course you must, it's not that rare losing Gmail on phone, because once you log in on your phone, once you logged in Gmail on your phone, it's always been there, but it doesn't have issues on laptop. Okay, so how do we do that? So I've tried to input many password, and then it's saying that oh, the password is incorrect. Okay, let me try this again. So it's saying the wrong password. Try again or click forget to reset it. Okay, and that is where we are going to do the magic. Okay, now for you to do that, you have to click on forget password, and then you must make sure that the Gmail you are actually logging in, it's your correct Gmail account. Okay, now the next thing you are going to know is that there are some security settings, that is the number that you use in order to logged in into that Gmail account. And if you see from my system here, I have something like 94 that ends with it. Okay, and then that is what will make you to actually recover your password. And if you don't use number, well, you can check my subsequent tutorials on how to do that. But if you have a number, that is, you have a number that you have actually used in order to log in into your your Gmail, then let us continue. Okay, now your country matters. Okay, so you are going to input your country, that is click on the correct country. For me, I am right here in Nigeria, the giant of Africa. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Okay, so I'm gonna click on Nigeria, and then I'm going to input the number that I actually used to registered for this particular Gmail account. So that is what I'm doing here. All right, so by the time you input the number, you just click on next. And one thing that Google will now do is that the phone you are actually using, okay, they're gonna send a particular code to it. Okay, and you make sure that you click on the phone in order to check it out. Okay, so I have my phone here, and it's still loading. So I can actually see it here, and then you're gonna click on yes, it's me. Just check at the description of your phone. If you don't see, just click on resend. Okay, just click on resend. But I've actually see it here. Just swipe your phone down at the notification area. You're gonna click on yes, it's me, and then the number, that number you're seeing on the screen will be sent right into your phone. So I'm gonna click on yes, it's me, and then I'm going to click on 13. So once I do that, then the next thing is that it's asking the way I want to sign in. Okay, since I have the Gmail right into my phone that I've logged in, so they're gonna send a verification code to the Gmail. So I'm gonna click on it, and then you go to your mail, and then check out the verification code on your mail. So I'm expecting it to actually come. So here it is. I'm going to input the verification code right into this bar. All right, so I'm gonna click on next, and then Google is now asking me to create a very new password. Okay, so you're gonna do that. So by the time you click on the password, alright, okay, so you just have to click on next, and then you click on change password. So Google is now going to ask you whether you have to continue or you check some things. So just click on continue to Gmail, and then this is, you are back to your Gmail, to your Google workspace, and you can begin to, you know, interact with people with your Google Mail. So that is how you can recover your Gmail password if you forget it on your laptop. If you love this video, consider to subscribe to this channel because it's very, very much important to me. Okay, I'm gonna see you in the very next video.